Baseball night continues here in downtown Cleveland, Ohio. It's game 2 of our doubleheader as the streaking Cleveland Indians try to run it to 5 in a row as they take on the Atlanta Braves. Francisco Lindor. Ozzie Albies will lead it off. Josh Donaldson in the 2-hole. Freddie Freeman bats third. Ronald Acuna Jr. bats cleanup. Nick Markakis is fifth.
It'll be Trevor Bauer in game 2, off to a terrific start, 2-1. The ERA is down there at 2.05. Made his major league debut against the Atlanta Braves.
But we know that didn't happen. Swing and a miss, so maybe it did flicker. Breaking ball low and away, ball 4. Good at bat for Donaldson. Donaldson's running again. And a pop up to Lindor. And there are 2 down. Donaldson takes off. Throw down, not in time.
Had a good.
Oh, he came off the bag and they call him out. And Donaldson knew it. He just barely came off the bag. And a good job by Freeman to keep the tag on him. Francisco Lindor back in the lineup, leading off. Leonis Martin hits second. Jose Ramirez is third. Carlos Santana going to DH.
Touki Toussaint making his first start this year. He has pitched 6 innings, a couple of walks, 7 strikeouts.
Lindor waits the 2-2, and a slow breaking ball got him. Hit him on the foot, and so Martin is aboard with 1 out. And Jose Ramirez with a base hit up the middle. And Martin is headed towards third, and Ciarte's throw is in time, and they got him.
Tell you what, that's a Gold Glover in center field, and he's got a good arm, and Martin tried to challenge him, and he made a perfect throw.
Indians will challenge the ball.
I think they will. We'll have to get a look. You can see where he went to get it. By the time he tags him, that foot is on the base.
I think you're right.
On the base, and never came off of it by the time he tagged him.
And see,
yeah, that's he is. They overturn it. Very nice.
Oh, he got him to chase a pitch way out of the zone. You don't see that very often.
Not from Carlos.
Santana.
No, you don't.
It gets away, and that's going to score Martin. Ramirez around third, goes all the way to the cut of the grass and dives back in safely. So really a wild pitch way off the line.
That's the key.
Cargo, base hit right field, 2-0 Cleveland. Ramirez scores. And the Indians have themselves an early cushion. Tyler pops one to left. Acuna makes the running catch. And the inning is over. Swung on and missed. Bauer pumped it by him at 95, his second strikeout. 1 down. Well, Bauer just struck him out, and that gives him 3 of the first 5 hitters. Fired up deals. Freeman broke his bat, but he bangs it right back up the middle. And the Indians have their 3rd hit off Toussaint, a 1-out single here in the 2nd inning. And Frankie, just like that, has his first hit of the year. That's going to send Freeman all the way to 3rd. So Lindor, 1 for 2 on the night. Welcome back.
Yeah, that didn't take long.
Oh, it hit him.
Yeah, again?
Second time he hit him in the same foot. I think it was the exact same pitch.
It was a curveball.
He waited back on it beautifully. Freeman scores. Here comes Lindor. It's a 2-run single for Jose Ramirez. 4-0 Cleveland. Santana trying to beat the shift. He does! Martin around third. He'll come on home to score. Into third goes Jose Ramirez. And Carlos Santana makes it 5-0 Cleveland. The Indians have struck for 3 runs here in the second. In the dirty hit, Cargo. That's the 3rd Indians batter hit by the same exact pitch here tonight. And that finally, mercifully, will be it for Touki Toussaint. Home runs are fun, but I think for the fans, I would think if you're out there sitting in the seats watching, especially on a night when it's cold, you've paid your hard-earned money. That have reached safely. Make it 7. Bowers sends one up the alley. This might clear the bases. Let's see. Ramirez scores. Santana scores, and Cargo stops at third. It's a 2-run double for Jake Bauers and a 5-run second for Cleveland. Roberto with a double play ball to second. It's bobbled by Albies, but they still have time to turn two, and the inning is over. Got him looking outside corner. Dansby Swanson reached out, punches it towards center, got a good break and a dive, but Martin can't quite get to it. And Flowers will hold with a 1-out single. Got his only time up. He hits that one pretty well. Deep center. Back goes Martin, and he will make the catch.
He didn't go last year in that leadoff spot, so you can certainly understand why he's up there.
Nice pick by Albies. 2 down. Martin with a base hit in the left field.
Well, they elevated it, and that's where Flowers wanted that pitch. And I'll tell you what, give Martin credit.
The 1-2. Oh my goodness, another hit batter on the foot.
Is that the foot or that the thigh or the leg?
It's a hot foot Saturday night in Cleveland. And a slow chopper towards third. Camargo, off balance throw is in time, and the inning is over. Nice. Pumped it by him at 94. 5 strikeouts for Bauer. 2 down in the shade a little bit. He went fishing, and he caught nothing but air. Trevor Bauer has struck out a half balls. Check swing roller to third. Camargo throws him out. 1 down. Slowly chopped towards the shortstop. And Swanson throws him out. The Indians go in order. 4 complete.
To 1-2 and really expand the zone. But there's the 2-1. He challenged him, and Markakis
hits it off the scoreboard.
Yes, he did.
And he'll go in standing with a leadoff double. And Bauer fires it by him. I'll tell you what, Trevor Bauer, it seems like most of the time tonight, Rick. And a 3-2. High fly ball. Deep left center field. Martin back. He's at the wall. Can't get to it. He needed a step ladder. Around second on his way to third is Flowers. That's a 2-out RBI triple as Markakis comes home to score the first run of the night for Atlanta.
And he drives in the run
to third, where Ramirez makes the catch to retire the side. A run on 2 hits. 3-2. And a called third strike. That's the first strikeout by an Indians hitter since the first inning. Down swinging. A couple of Ks for Shane, making his season debut tonight here for the Tribe. And sparking a 5-run rally with a single and a run scored in the second inning as Josh Donaldson strikes out 109. Struck him out to end the game, or to end his night. 9th strikeout for Trevor Bauer. 10th appearance of the year. Swinging a miss, he strikes out Jose Ramirez. 1 down. Swung out and missed. He struck him out. So back-to-back Ks by Sabatka.
You know, being as tall as he is, mechanically, you can see where he may have some problems. There you go. That's a tough way to go there. Get inside. The base hits there, but that's because they had the shift on for Cargo. So a 2-out single for him.
That changes the lights in here now.
Swing and a miss. Inning over. No runs, a hit, 2 left. We've played 6. The 1-2 and a swing and a miss. He struck him out. And that's given him 10 strikeouts on the night. He loses Markakis, and that'll be the end of the night. So Bauer goes 6 1/3. Otero's 7th appearance of the year. In the air to center field, well hit. Back is Martin, and it's gone. Dansby Swanson with his 5th home run of the year. RBIs number 19 and 20 for the Braves shortstop.
Boy, he put a stroke on that ball inside out, and that ball had some carry to it.
Tied him up. Good pitch. Otero strikes him out. The inning is over. 29-year-old right-hander has thrown 9 pitches, only 2 strikes.
Well, that's
ball
not
4. He's walked the first 2 he's
endear
faced.
yourself to your manager now. You come in a 7-1 ball game and
double play ball. There's 1, and on the first, they turn 2. Roberto Perez moves to 3rd.
Of course, the rain out, but it doesn't mean that
struck him out.
You're not going to be tired.
And the inning. We'll go to the 8th. Dan Otero went 2/3 of an inning to finish the 7th. Now Ramirez here in the 8th. 10th pitch of the at-bat. And a line drive single for Inciarte.
That was a really good at-bat by Inciarte. He fouled off some tough pitches till he got one he could handle and then hit him.
Swung out and missed. Neil Ramirez gets the strikeout, 1 down. Runner goes, and Donaldson puts it in play. Ramirez can't come up with it. And just like in the first game, Donaldson with a little infield dribbler for his 2nd hit of the day. Freddie Freeman 0 for 6 on the day. Freeman lines it to left. Carlos Gonzalez goes back. Makes a wonderful catch onto the warning track. And that is a huge out, number 2. He got turned inside out, but still, Rick, he never panicked. You never. Ground ball hit it towards 3rd. Ramirez cuts it off, goes to 1st. Inning over. Oliver Perez, 5th of the night for Atlanta. Luke Jackson, his 10th appearance on the year.
They have had their share of base runners.
Jose sends one to left and backpedaling in a hurry to grab it as Acuna. Struck him out. 2 away. Hard hit ground ball and a single through the right side. Who gave the Braves some life with his 2-run homer in the 7th. That's his 5th of the year. And the 3-1 is ball 4, and they are loaded. So 2 walks by Simber. He just missed. The 1-2. Swung out and missed. Hey, struck him out, 2 away. Line drive, fair ball down the line. This is trouble. Markakis scores. Swanson scores. Flowers will stop at 3rd. They hold Albies to a long 2-out, 2-run single.
That ball almost looked like it hit chalk on that line.
Can't get Donaldson. And he walks.
Not even close.
Well, they're loaded. And the 8th man to bat in the inning will be Freddie Freeman. And Tito is going to go to the left-hander, Tyler Olson. 2 out. And the batter will be Freddie Freeman, Tyler Olson. Runners go. Payoff pitch. It's outside, ball 4. It's a 1-run game. And the Indians pitcher is Cody Anderson, making just his 2nd appearance on the year. Ripped to left. That'll get down. That'll go to the wall. The Braves have come all the way back to take the lead. 2-run score. It's a 2-run double for Acuna. And the Braves have scored 5 times in the ninth. 2-2 in the air. Left field. Carlos Gonzalez will make the catch. And now the Indians will have to bat in the bottom of the ninth. Down a run, 8-7.
A.J. Minter coming on for the 8th time.
Here's the payoff pitch. And he strikes him out.
Yeah, certainly too close to take.
2-2. Struck him out. And the Indians are down to their last out. Pitch to Perez. And that's the ball game. The Indians go 1-2-3. A.J. Minter strikes out the side in the ninth. You talk about a contrast in each half of the ninth inning.